So I just lost 2 fucking racks. 2 racks of ribs in the ocean. Like a dunce. Our only protein. And I'm fucking feeling like an idiot. Jake's trying to swim around and find them. So I went down with the bag and I thought I'll just get some cold seawater to keep those raw ribs from going bad, spoiled. And then I brought the bag down and I dipped it in the water, and as soon as I was dipping in, a really big set came.
You gotta beat my eyes!
I am, man! A really big set came, and then it just sucked the ribs right out of my hands into the water. And that was all we really have for dinner. We have beans and potatoes, but we hiked like 5 miles. Need some food.